Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity given to me to make presentation at this international conference. I am Vicky Zanur Firmansyah, representing a team from the Department of Public Administration, Universitas Nasional. We will present an article titled The Implementation of Alpukat Betawi as the Innovation of Public Service. The second slide is background of study. We have three problems here, which are, number one is a problem such as the lack of human resource capability, weak public service system, above of power and authority, and complicated, long and difficult public service are considered a bureaucratic disease. Number two is the implementation of e-government is an effort to use communication and environmental technology that is used to optimize public service in the area of the COVID-19 pandemic. Number three is the urgency of information disclosure in the implementation of dynamic public service and the transformation of public service system through e-government are very important to improve of public standard. The third slide is the literature review. Transformation is a change, meaning a change a things or situation. According to Nugraha, to realize the transformation of public service, innovation, three elements must be considered in the implementing the concept of e-government in the public sector, namely support, capacity, and value. The public service, number two is public service, is any activity from the implementation that must be carried out by the government to achieve a goal and offer satisfaction to community as service recipient. The fourth slide is the method. This research method uses descriptive qualitative method. The purpose of this study is to analyze the implementation of e-government in the innovation of population administration service of Alpukat Betawi, direct access to quick and accurate population document service. The research was conducted at the Department of Population and Civil Registration of DKI Jakarta Province. The main research instrument and data used were through observation and in-depth interview with the government and this community, as well as conducting a literature study. Next slide is the result and discussion. In this result and discussion, divided into the three part. Namely, the first is the urgency of public service transformation in the realizing of e-government through the Alpukat Betawi application. There are indicators of successful implementation of digitizing public service. Namely, number one is service performance, improving the quality of competent human resource and socializing and providing understanding to the public. Number two is service innovation. The development of public service innovation must be adapted to existing social needs and problems and determine priority service with synergy in overcoming certain social problems. And number three is service quality. Improving service quality and technology development facility by taking into account the certainty of the completion time of service product procedure, information and environmental comfort to create community satisfaction. The second is constraint in the implementation of Alpukat Betawi application. Alpukat Betawi application program the application. Number one is service constraint from the tangible aspect. Number two is human resource capability skill. Number three, service delay due to problematic population data. Number four is the ineffective application of the Alpukat Betawi program. Number five, of lack of social and public understanding of Alpukat Betawi digital. Number three is effort to improve the effectiveness, quality, and performance of the Alpukat Betawi service system. Number one is shaping the spirit of leadership and organizational effectiveness. Number two is improving the integrity and ethics of state administration. Number 3 is applying good governance principle in the good governance. Number 4 is building community awareness and participation. The last slide is conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion. The Alpukat Betawi system has been running well following the of the public service innovation planning carried out by the DKI Jakarta Provincial Population and Civil Registration Office. The community need to obtain population administration service during a pandemic is helped by the application recommendation. Efforts that must be made are to form the spirit of leadership and organizational effectiveness, improve the integrity and ethics of state administration, apply the principle of good governance and from the public awareness and participant, and digital-based public service through the presence of Alpukat Betawi are one way to improve public service. Thank you for the opportunity and attention that has been given to me to present this article. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.